Hey guys, Jordan from the Wayward Couple. Just wanted to do a quick video on a bonnet hinge mounted aerial bracket from GMF I'm going to install. So I'll show you what comes in the kit and I'll show you how to install it. Pretty simple really. So this is what comes in the kit. 2 bolts, a little bit longer than the factory things, and a GMF aerial mount. I've used one of these on the MUX before. I found it quite handy, so I'll use it again. Don't mind my super workbench there. The only tool you need to do this is a 12mm socket, and I would also suggest getting a rag and putting under here somewhere so you don't drop the bonnet accidentally. So let's get going. Alright, undo your standard bolts. What I'm going to do is one at a time, so take out the standard bolt, see the difference in length, one in the bracket, this is just a fail safe, so if you do accidentally drop the bonnet, it's only going to go as far as the slotted holes in here. Put a little bit of tension on that. Undo the bottom one. Didn't quite work as planned, so we've got to loosen the top one again. Once you do get them both in, you can line up the paint marks on the hinges to where they were before. Give it a bit of a tighten. Careful not to over tighten them, and we'll have a look from the outside now. There you go, that's it mounted. So my aerial was actually in the post, but that's what the bracket looks like. I'll show you on the MUX what it actually looks like with an aerial on it. It's the same mount on the MUX with a Oricom aerial. Good looking unit really. So there it is. Thanks for watching. If you want to see any more videos, similar topics, please subscribe and like. Cheers.